can solve this example. What do we got? Efficiency and we got input. Okay, so we have our formula. Efficiency is equal to, and its percentage, so let's say percentage efficiency is equal to output power divided by input power times 100%. So we divide, if we divide both side by 100, we can get rid of percentage. So this is 70% divided by 100 is equal to, divided by 100% is equal to output power divided by input power multiply by 100% divided by 100%. So this will cancel out and we got 0.7 from here, which is output power divided by input power. So this will give us, if I multiply both sides by input power, or I'm saying input power is dividing here, so when it goes on this side it will be multiplied, so output power will become equal to 0.7 multiplied by input power, and 0.7 multiplied by input power is 600 watt. So this will become equal to 420 watts. So output power is 420 watt. So that's how we can solve this example. Okay. So I think that's enough. Tomorrow, the next lecture is about different types of energy sources. So it's not worth doing in a lecture format. Then it's better if we do it in a presentation format and discuss it. Okay, thank you so much.